My name is Kaylin Lewis. I also go by KK, and I am a junior exercise major concentrating in management studies and race and ethics. High school, I played basketball, and I really wanted to further my basketball career, and I went into playing college. I was kind of a goal of mine, and St. Olaf popped up. Being able to be at a great academic school and then also play basketball was perfect.
15 on the shot clock. Lewis pops it up. Wow.
So SOAR is basically an opportunity for a student athlete where you're able to kind of have that conversation with them, get them used to what a college is like.
SOAR is an orientation to St. Olaf, an extended orientation where we meet once a week for 6 weeks with students, and we look at resources that the college has, study strategies, advising and registration help, starting to look at career and vocation, financial literacy, all types of things that students will benefit from learning so they can maximize their St. Olaf College experience.
And the great thing about it is I'm not only working with basketball athletes, I'm working with baseball, track. I'm meeting other people outside of just my little clique from basketball.
What I think is really special about KK is really her enthusiasm and just the charisma she brings to a room. She just always was willing to contribute to the conversations, and even though I think sometimes she hadn't even had supper, she'd come straight from practice, she was so willing to engage and share her life's experiences and really be a contributor to building a community in our SOAR group, and just always so positive.
SOAR has definitely impacted my education. At first, I came in being an exercise science major. I thought that was something I really wanted to aim for, physical therapy. But now I really love working with children in general, and I like having those conversations about how a campus or an organization can help you. What it means to be an Oli is being yourself. The more you are open to who you are, that's when more connections and more experiences happen.